Welcome to the Counseling Center, IIT Kharagpur. Dear students, past 7 months have been truly exceptional in our lives. Nobody thought that from a vibrant campus, it will become like that nobody is here. The students are at their residences, in their hometowns, in different parts of the country, and only some faculty members and the staff members are on the campus. However, the life must go on, and with that view, all the faculty members and other staff members have tried to provide online classes, and all of you are attending online classes for the autumn semester in 2020-21. It has put a lot of pressure on the faculty as well as on all the students also, because every student, he has to be online, he has to attend several classes on the whole day, he has to appear in the class tests, that assessment tests, he has to solve the assignments and then submit. So with that, the online appearance or being online time, it has become tremendous for everybody. Earlier, that time was on the offline when you physically attended the classes, but that entire thing has been replaced by online. So you are online, that means either on mobile or on laptop, or on many students will be on the desktops through their Wi-Fi connections or through the mobile data connections. Certainly, it has affected the physical health as well as the mental health of the students. I would like to say that one can overcome these difficulties also if we take certain positive steps. For example, when you consider spending too much time on the online media, take time off, spend time with your family, talk with your friends, and also maybe you do some physical workout also, so that your physical health also is maintained. In fact, we tried to give the NSO classes online. Of course, that is very limited because you have something like a half an hour session where the instructor gives some instructions to do some physical exercises, but you can increase it little more. Another way of taking out your time could be to spend time in the household activities, do some help to your mother, to your family members for doing certain household things. In case of any difficulty, the students who are facing any problem, you can always approach our counseling center. The email IDs and the mobile numbers will be shared with you. Also, if you observe that any of your friends, etc., is in need of this, you can connect to us, or you may connect directly to the counseling center to connect to them, so that the timely help can be provided. Definitely, being in home, you have a lot of mental support or moral support from your family, because you are always there with them. Because being isolated in a hostel, this thing can be more difficult. But being in the family surroundings, it is less. But even then, there may be one or two odd cases where there may be a problem. You may approach the counseling center for that. We hope that the curve of the COVID cases goes down as early as possible and we meet physically, which is actually our true coming. That means we have the natural process of learning and teaching on the campus. Thank you.